All right, just take a nice deep breath and allow your shoulders just to drop. Allow your spine to become straight. If that requires you to shift in your chair, feel free to do that. And on your next exhale, imagine all the thoughts in your head just leaving with the breath. Leaving you nothing but centered energy supported by your seat. Allow yourself to find a place of emptiness. But not emptiness as in a glass that's been poured empty, but an emptiness of something that stopped thinking solely about itself. Something that's emptied the distractions out that made it think it was alone. A clarity of being. Sometimes we talk about the golden thread that connects us all. We allow ourselves to empty out the self and become more aware of this interconnectedness. The web of life that holds us all together. We feel that as an exchange from one to another, from where we sit to the person off to our left. We feel it moving off to our right and coming back as same. In front of us, behind us. We begin to recognize less of ourselves and more of ourselves and others. As if I have a choice to focus just on this or to focus on all. And as I've allowed my consciousness to become more aware of the life and the flow around me, I feel myself a bit more expanded, open, empathetic, conscious and aware that there is something greater at work. And what I've considered to be my concerns, my worries, my fears, my needs, they begin to melt away into the whole of which I'm a part. And so we take a moment to rest into that awareness. And with my next breath, I start to bring my awareness back into the self, but not losing the awareness of the greater whole of which I'm a part, but with a new thought seed that's been planted in self, which now begins to grow into the larger tree of which I am a part. And each day I become more and more aware that I'm a valuable piece of the whole. I I bring my attention back to this mind, this body, and I am grateful, and so it is. When you're ready, you can open your eyes.